Hey, I'm Michael. This is your Land Pride Service Minute. Today we're going to talk about our tiller. Now that fall is over, we're done tilling our garden under. We need to look it over, make sure it's ready to go for next spring before we till again. So the one thing we want to do is we want to look at our tines. We need to make sure we have a good edge on them, make sure there's no broken or chips out of them. If there is, you need to get with your Land Pride dealer and get a new set of tines ordered for it. While we're at it, we need to check the chain case. Inside that chain case, we have flowable grease, which you can get from your Land Pride dealer. It is a special oil grease that we put in there to help hold onto the chain to lube the top bearing. So make sure you only put flowable grease inside that chain case. While you're at it, check the gearbox, make sure your oil level is good there, and you only use 80/90 in that. Lastly, make sure you grease your bearings on the ends and also your driveline. I'm Michael. This has been your Land Pride Service Minute.